Okay, moving further with question number 4 of exercise 6.1. You can check it out in your textbook. The questions, children, I only had written the answers as there is a less space here on the board. So I had written answers of the questions. Question number 4 is, adjacent figure is a vertical number line. You can see this is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. Starting from D till ending on E, you have to write the numbers on the number line. On D we have 8, then after comes 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is already given. Here H, so before H we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 till -10. Now from this you have to answer the questions given in your textbook. Number A, if point D is positive 8, that is +8, then which point is -8? Check it out, where is -8 coming? Here. So what is the alphabet used for -8? It is F. So on F -8 comes. Point B, is G a negative integer or a positive integer? Where is G? It is on -6. So definitely G is a negative integer. Okay, write integers for points B and E. Which are the integers that are indicated on alphabet B and E? So B we are having positive, that is 4, and E is we are having negative number, that is -10. Which points marked on this number line has the least value? Least means the smallest value of all these numbers indicated on the number line. So please remember, the smallest one is the number with the negative sign, and that too the number which is, if I am not keeping a negative sign, then it will be bigger, but with negative the thing will be reversed. So here, compared to -1 and -10, when we see with the negative integers, -10 becomes the smallest number and -1 in negative integers become the bigger one. So -10 is having the least value, that is on alphabet E. Arrange all the points in decreasing order. Decreasing is descending from big to small. So definitely from positive numbers we have to move towards negative number, from right to left, as right numbers are bigger and when we come on to the left they are smaller. So D, then after comes C, then B, then A, then in between we have O. Right? This is O. As you can see this is O. Then H, G, F and lastly E. I hope this is clear. Now coming on to question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. You can see places are given, temperatures they had written in words and I had indicated it in either when it is below we have to go with the negative number, and when it is above we have to go with the positive numbers. The positive numbers I had not indicated with plus sign, that indicates that the numbers are positive. Only the negative numbers are to be written with minus sign. So okay, I move on to places like Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi and Srinagar. Now the question starts. A, write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. You can see they had given a blank column here where we have to write this numbers, but as I am not having a space much, I had not written this. I had definitely means I had immediately had written this blank columns. So starting with A, Siachen is 10 degree below 0 degree Celsius, so -10 degree. Shimla is 2 degree Celsius below, so -2 degree. Ahmedabad is 30 degree Celsius above, so +30. Delhi again 20 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius, so +20, and Srinagar is 5 degree Celsius below 0 degree, so -5 degree Celsius. This is all question number A, the answer of question number A. Moving on to B. Following is a number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperatures. Now see, this is a number line given, right? The numbers are already given on the number line. Only you have to see this numbers and you have to write the name of the places. So on -10 degree we have Siachen, as here it is, I have already mentioned. -2 degree, that comes before 5, -5. After 0 it will come -2, 1 and -2. So on -2 we have Shimla, then -5 degree we have Srinagar, 20 degree we have Delhi, and 30 degree is Ahmedabad. You only have to write the name of the places on the even numbers. Which is the coolest place? But obvious, Siachen is the coolest place, as I said. In minus, the number which is having minus sign is the smallest one. So Siachen is having the coolest temperature, coolest place. It is the coolest place. Write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degree Celsius. Above 10 degree Celsius means, but obviously they are bigger than 10 degree Celsius. So which are the two places we have? Delhi, that is 20 degree Celsius, and Ahmedabad 30 degree Celsius. Hopefully this is clear to you.